Hey guys, Dishne here again, and I have a brand new applique. So this is the Cordelia. Isn't she beautiful? Okay, so this is the Cordelia applique. It is very nice. It is super shiny, but it's not shiny because of rhinestones. It's shiny because of the sequin and the beading that's on here. So let me bring it closer. Ooh, okay. As you can see, it is very fine beading mixed with a little bit of sequin. Look at that. It is finely woven and it is so beautiful. Now this can be placed at the bust area like I did for this display, or I'm going to remove some of these here. Let me show you another way. It could either be like that, or it could be along the waistline. Let me do this a little the waistline. So it could go for any way that you want. It is so beautiful, guys. Get yours today. Then it comes super close so that you can see it up close and personal. So pretty. Oh, look at that. It is beautiful.